Afternoon.
Good afternoon.
So, what is your name, sir?
Billy po.
Ilan taong ka na?
19 years old po.
19. Civil status?
Single.
Okay, single. So, Mr. Billy, do you use any type of artificial contraceptive?
Yes.
If yes, why?
Para safe po.
Okay. So, what kind of artificial contraceptive ang ginagamit mo?
Condom.
Condom. So, Mr. Billy, yung paggamit mo ng condom, doctors recommended ba?
Hindi po. Kasi lahat naman po tayo na lalaki, pwede gumamit nun.
Okay. So, last question, Mr. Billy. What do you think would be the reason or would be the cause and effect of using artificial contraceptive?
Cause po, para hindi po mabuntis yung babae, and effect, wala. Kasi artificial naman yun.
Okay, so, one last question, Mr. Billy. Saan mo nalaman yung paggamit ng condom?
Sa friends, ads, and commercial.
Okay, so, thank you, Mr. Billy.
Thank you rin po.